Hi, so what if your personal dietitian lived right inside your WhatsApp? No apps to download, no clunky web interfaces, just instant personalized health advice whenever you text it. So today we are looking at Diet Doctor AI. I built this agentic system from scratch. I have used Google's ADK with FastAPI for the core intelligence. Integrate it with the WhatsApp via N10 for user interaction and utilized a robust CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions and ArgoCD for continuous deployment on a Kubernetes cluster. So let's start. So here is our N10 flow. So first node is this WhatsApp trigger node. So when the user send message on the WhatsApp, so it trigger a webhook in N10. So when this trigger, so it's like the WhatsApp trigger node in this N10, this node, it can receive event data just beyond text messages like status, read, delivered, or send. So I added an if node to strictly filter for the text input. So if the message is a text one, so then it's split into two branches. So the first one is like I have added for the typing indicator. So this fire a quick HTTP request back to the WhatsApp API. So it's like to acknowledge the user message immediately. And this second one is the mean one, which is for the processing in the backend. So it instantly send the post request to our backend server to do our mean actual AI work. And then when the AI is done, this N10 catches the final response and pushes it through the WhatsApp API, deliver to the user's screen. So this work like this. And when we come to our code part, so I have used, so this is like the main brain of the operation, and I have used here the Google's ADK Agent Development Kit. So this is running on the Gemini 2.5 model, and so it is for the in the production I have used the production grade API, which is a fast API, because we can't use the web ADK in the production. Here I strictly instructed the model to reject any questions outside the diet, nutrition and exercise, because we want this model to be the diet and health specific, not a general chat model. And also sometimes LLM can hallucinate maths, so I have include this function that is to calculate the BMI index. So when the user asks for a meal plan, so the AI calls this Python function, get the exact numbers and uses them to generate the final response. So this is our main code. So you can check this code. I have pushed all the code on GitHub, and also I have implemented here the CI/CD. So I'm running this whole stack on my Kubernetes home layer, and I set up a complete continuous deployment pipeline. So it's like whenever I make changes to the agent's logic and push the code to the GitHub Actions automatically kicks in. Okay, and it builds a new Docker container. So assign it a specific version, tag it as the latest, and push it to the container registry. And then for the deployment I have used the ArgoCD. So when the image arrive at the GitHub container registry, the ArgoCD takes over. It watches my repository, detects the new image tag, which is the latest one, and it gracefully spin down the old Kubernetes pod and bring up the new one. So it ensures no connection drop during the deployment. So it's like constantly checking the current state and the actual state, and when it is not same, so it fetches the latest image from the registry and then update in their pod. So this works like that. So if I show you, if I send hi message, so it is showing typing. So yes, as I have already filled that, so it is taking my 25 year, gender female, and this one for now. If I delete this part, so that it will fetch the latest one, because for now I'm using the in-memory session. So I write hi Yes. Okay, so hello, I am Diet Expert here, your personal dietitian and health expert. I'm here to help you with personal diet planning, customized exercise, weight management, nutrition advice, meal planning, progress tracking, health and wellness coaching. To create a personal plan for you, perfect plan for you, I will need to understand your profile. Let's get started. Age, gender, height, current weight and target weight. You can enter like I am and height 5.5 and so now it is asking whether you are vegetarian, any food allergy and specific food, perfect cuisine. So it is like go through all the details, whether you have any current health condition or any food allergies and all, then it will customize according to this your personalized diet plan. So this is our project. So if I show you like the diagram, so architecture diagram, so when the user WhatsApp the message, so then this annotant catches it, annotant says typing, as you see here when we write something and send a message, it shows us to typing, and while simultaneously asking the Kubernetes backend, FastAPI manages the session here, because ADK and Gemini process the language and Python do the some math functions, and the final answer is routed back to the annotant to the user's WhatsApp. So yeah, it is same as like this one. So this is our main project. So this is all, and if you want to build this project yourself, explore the code or contribute, I have made the entire project open source and the GitHub link is in the below description, so you can find them and share your feedback. Thank you.